Hello everyone! Welcome! Have you ever wondered what gives your favorite soda that tangy kick? Or what helps grow the food we eat? The answer is often a chemical called phosphoric acid. It's a surprisingly common substance found in everything from fertilizers to food products. But where does it come from? How is it actually made? In this video, we're going to break down the science and explore the two main industrial methods for producing this important acid. The most common way to make phosphoric acid is through something called the wet process. This method is responsible for the vast majority of phosphoric acid produced globally, primarily for use in fertilizers. It all starts with a natural resource, phosphate rock. This rock is essentially calcium phosphate, mined from the earth. The first step is to crush this rock into a fine powder. Then, it's mixed with a strong acid, most commonly sulfuric acid. This creates a chemical reaction. Think of it like a recipe where you mix ingredients to get something new. The reaction produces two main things, a liquid, which is our phosphoric acid, and a solid byproduct called calcium sulfate, also known as gypsum. The next crucial step is filtration. The solid gypsum is separated from the liquid acid. The resulting acid at this stage isn't very pure. It contains many impurities from the original rock, giving it a dark, often greenish color. That's why it's sometimes called green acid or merchant-grade acid. Because of these impurities, this type of phosphoric acid is perfect for making phosphate fertilizers, which is its number one use. Now, for applications where purity is key, like in the food and beverage industry, a different method is used. This is called the thermal process. This process is more expensive, but it yields a much cleaner, food-grade product. Instead of starting with phosphate rock, this method begins with elemental phosphorus. In the first stage, this phosphorus is burned in a large furnace with plenty of air. This high-temperature reaction creates a dense white smoke, which is actually a powder called phosphorus pentoxide. This white powder is then moved to a hydration tower. Here, it is mixed with water. The phosphorus pentoxide eagerly absorbs the water, and this reaction forms extremely pure phosphoric acid. This is the clear, colorless acid that can be used as a food additive, giving sodas their sharp flavor, or used in detergents and other high-purity chemical applications. So, to recap, we have two main paths. The wet process uses phosphate rock and sulfuric acid to make large quantities of less pure acid for fertilizers. The thermal process uses elemental phosphorus and fire to create a very pure acid for our food and other specialized products. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us create more content just like this. Let us know in the comments if there are other chemical processes you'd like to see explained. See you next time.